Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the new 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX with the outboard on it. Let's start with the outboard in the back. It's got the 300 on here. It's a ton of horsepower for a 25-foot boat. Hops on plane. It's got a great top end. Beautiful motor, real quiet, beautiful. Sea deck on the entire floor on the swim platform area. And then storage-wise, this boat has a ton of storage. This actually goes all the way up. It's probably about 8 foot deep back there, which is fantastic. You do have back when you're hanging out, you've got a nice little area here. Drinks, sodas, storage, whatever you want. And then you get a very versatile chair here. It's as far as lounging this way. And then what you do is you can slide it back this way, and then you can flip the seat. And now you've got a beautiful sitting area here as well. So really cool setup on that. Storage all the way underneath. This is where your table is. You got two tables. You got one that mounts right here, and you've got another one that mounts in the bow. This one here, when you flip it up, you've got the cooler. It's out of the way. It's out of the sun. Fantastic place for the cooler. The seats are reversible, so you can lounge facing this way. You can lounge facing that way. Very cool as well. And then up at the helm, you've got the Simrad touchscreen. And so you got a really nice, just clean dashboard, set up very, very well. Not a ton of switches like we used to have, so it's really set up beautifully as a dashboard. Then if we come here, 25-foot boat, this is a pleasant surprise. Normally you just have a little head, but now it's got a pump-out head, which is great, but it also has a flip down. You just unsnap that. This flips down. You actually have a little napping area down there. So if you need to get out of the weather, if you want to take a nap, that type of thing, you've got room to do that. So really cool feature for a 25-foot boat. As we move to the bow, little bit different look. They normally have more of just a two lounger setup with a walk-through in the middle. This is set up with a side walk-through. And so you've got a seat where you can put 4 adults comfortably sitting here. You can put your feet up and across so you can lounge comfortably. You've got a second cooler that fits underneath, which is nice. Drink holders on both sides, 2 USB plugs for your phones. Just really, really comfortable. And last, you've got the beach boarding ladder. Especially around here, we go right up onto the beach a lot. You can deploy the ladder and get right down onto the sand. You don't get wet. It's a great option for this boat. So does it very, very well. It rides great, looks great. If you got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.